Snoopy. Bad cat. Bad key cat. You leave those chickens alone. Hey, 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 hey. Bad cat. Oh, she's having her babies. Good girl, Junie. Get it out, baby. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. You got this, Mama. You got this. Get it out. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Get it out. Oh. There you go, baby. She's a dark one. I say she's probably, I don't even know what it is. Oh, Mama. Yep, it's birthing time. Look at those ears. Oh my gosh, they're long and floppy. Angie's gonna love it. Good girl, Mama. Don't know what you got yet. Boys or girls or both or what? We're not blocking already though. Oh, we got another mama. This one. So dark in here. Oh, there's two babies. Winter. I dare say, I think we've got all girls.
Seriously? Wow.
I don't see a satchel hanging. Oh yeah. Today, we're starting to utilize those pallets for fencing. We're going to go along the back here, all the way along, and then cut whoosh, straight across to here and come along. So this whole area through here is going to house, I'm hoping, 4 runs for chickens. Angie's got some big plans, and we need to separate chickens. There's so many different things we got to do. Still got to work on the barn over there, but this is something I can do while it's melting. It's there's a lot of snow on the ground still, as you can see. So it's not the funnest. But today, I'm gonna start taking out some of these trees, some of this overgrown stuff here. It's privacy. I like it because it makes it so it's hard to see our cabin from the road. But those fencing pieces that I'm putting up, the pallets, should take the I can't make words. Those pallets. Hey, cat. Cat's out here chasing chickens. That's not cool, cat. So we're gonna take and cut a bunch of these little trees down. A bunch of this little scrub brush stuff. Clean it up, make it a good sectioned off, like 4 sections for chicken runs. Have that fencing, like there, go all the way around, and then we'll line it with chicken wire as well. But that'll give us a good visibility block for the road coming in, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go. Good job, Mama. There's one. Get it out, baby. It's all dark.
What's that?
It's dark. Good job, Mama. It's got her colorings. Good job, Mama. She's going right at it. Come on, Mama. Oh, there it comes, yeah. Oh. That one was coming in backwards. Maybe not. Uh-oh. Eat it, Mama. There you go, Mama. There you go. Good job, Mama.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange.
Hey, welcome back, guys. Today, we're gonna do a little catch up. You see back here in the distance, that's our sheep and goat barn that we're going to be building with pallets. Going to do a little bit of work today on that. That tree right over here, I don't know if you can see that one. The one in the front there, it's right next to a burn pile. It needs to come down, and that's going to be our main ridge beam. So I've got some plans on how I'm going to get that up there. That'll be interesting without any equipment. So we're going to give that, we aren't doing that today. We're just going to drop the tree today, and hopefully it goes where I want it to. 9 out of 10 times it doesn't. So hopefully this time, cross our fingers, it will go where it needs to go. So those pallets that we've been picking up and getting pretty cheap came into another use, making fence out of them. I don't know if you can see out in the distance, all through along the backside there, I'm fencing this whole area with these 12-foot panels. They're going to be chicken runs. I'm going to make 3 different runs here. Should be big enough for 3 different coops, 3 different runs. Might be able to squeeze a 4th, I don't know. I'm still trying to work all that out. But we're going to do chicken wire on the inside of the pallets here, just to keep chickens in, but I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Not too bad. We're going to go on down the road here, all down our lane, and then make more runs over here and stuff. Chickens everywhere. So I'll be working on that a little bit. Me and Mike have been dragging those panels out and putting them in place. So today I'm going to follow this tree here. We're going to see if it goes like I want it to. That bad boy right there needs to come down, and it's going to go the main ridge. Hopefully. We'll see. That's my plan anyway.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with the knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise and you hate on that. And I'll play both sides, don't need no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it.
Damn it. Yep. I don't know what to say. This may never make it to a video because this is some bull. It missed the trailer though, just barely. I mean, son of a gun. I see my problem. I know my problem.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
So close. This whole thing could have taken out my trailer. Ugh. Well, that didn't go as planned, and that could have gone a lot worse. I'm just glad that it didn't get a trailer. I need that thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Careful when you drop trees. I wouldn't try this at home. Not unless you got experience. I do not have experience. So don't do what I do. Unless you have experience, then go ahead and do it.